right, let's get into it. Another great boss up video to help you guys find work in your state or area. You know, I'm here to help you guys. Also, hit that like button, man. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you're checking this video the first time coming to my channel, I have a whole playlist of cities and states you might have missed. But comment below, you know, where you are. I'm going to do Louisiana today. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. Louisiana, the boy Wayne. So let's get into it and drop the comments down below where you are, just in case you don't see your city in Louisiana in this video. I'm going to try to help you guys out, and also other states I have not done yet, but make sure you check out that playlist on my channel after you hit that subscribe button. And so let's get into it. Now, this website, the Customized Logistics and Delivery Association, is a great website, along with many others that you can find contractors or courier companies in your state. So you see, Louisiana is very spread out, not a whole lot in the middle area right here, but up in that Shreveport, and then down in Baton Rouge, Lafayette, of course, New Orleans, where most of the people in the state are in this good boot. So we got companies like Blaze, Courier. You just come to the CLDs, go straight to these companies: Blaze, Courier, First Choice Transportation. First Choice got a lot of offices. Hackbirth, that's a national company, so they're in a lot of other places as well. Hackbirth Deliveries, they're in a lot of locations here. Jackson Carrier Service and SureLogic.net down in Kenner, closer to New Orleans. So these are all great companies. Kind of look at these websites: First Choice, Career, Contract Positions. See what First Choice has going on. Beaumont, Texas, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Alexandria. On-demand specialist, delivery specialist. Let's see what a independent contractor looks like. See if we can see anybody money, how much they're paying. Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. Where you can come in and apply. Employment application. But when you going through these applications, when you're applying for these companies, guys, you're gonna, they say no calls, please. Whatever, we're gonna call too. But yeah, definitely, email, text, pull up on them. They say you can actually apply in person. That's even better than calling. But you got to really stay on them. They get hundreds of thousands of people calling them every day, trying to be drivers, trying to get routes. You got to stand out and act like you really, really want the route and going above and beyond trying to get it. So that's who is this? SureLogics. Careers. See what they got going on. Position applying for: warehouse dispatcher, labor contractor, driver. I did see driver, didn't I? Drivers. And they want you to be a class ABC license. Most regular driver licenses is class C, I believe. And date of birth, work history, all that good stuff, guys. Let's keep getting into it. So those are some of the bigger companies that's on the CLDA. Blaze is another one as well. So go ahead and go through, check out all the websites. Usually, go through careers, independent contractor, registration, real easy. Same day delivery, medical courier work, hot shot delivery. They want it all. What type of vehicle you got? Doesn't have a age restriction on vehicles that I see, but that could change. Address. So yeah, Blaze Courier Service, man. Let me see what all they do. And the 504. All right. So next we got Indeed, yes, Indeed. So you go in Indeed, type independent contractor courier, your state or city, and you will have the ability to see all of these great companies: delivery, driver, independent, same day med, Pace Runners, another great company. Class A company drivers. You see the pay, $2,100 a week. Associated Couriers. Yeah. And then this is the application. Go to Pace Courier. So Pace is another national company as well. They should have openings everywhere. I'm gonna go back and look and see if they got anything in my area. Here's more Hackbirth. We saw them on the CLDA page, but here's ZipRecruiter. So ZipRecruiter is just like Indeed. You can, search independent contract drivers, Baton Rouge, or get specific how many miles you want to go out. Make this search the best as your proper salaries. If you're trying to make a certain amount, you can put that in. So low paying jobs don't even come up. But here's all the independent contracted drivers. You can type in medical courier. Is that what you're trying to do? But usually that broad statement like independent contract delivery drivers will bring up a lot of different things. Most of these are CDL truck driving positions, but they do have some smaller courier drivers. We can use your small vehicle, car, SUV. Here's drop off. Drop off. I hate drop off. We don't talk about drop off on this channel. They're never hiring. They say they are, but they never are. All right. And then lastly, I got a gem for sticking around to the end of this video. I'm going to start getting into government contracting. So here is some government contracting websites you can find and bid on all different types of things, but they do have, lawn maintenance and some other driving position, courier positions as well. You just have to go in and find them on the bids. And that way, I'm not going to go too deep into that. I'm going to do a long form video about government contracts. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and drop me a like. Just pay that like tax. Since you stayed around to the end of this video, you found some value. So a like goes a long way with helping me grow this channel and help everybody get to the money, man. Let's go. All right, boss up, baby. We gone.